In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an emergency contact in Gusto. To get started, sign in to your Gusto account using your usual login method. Once you're in, take a moment to make sure you're on the main dashboard so it's easy to navigate to the right employee profile. From there, look to the left-hand sidebar and click on People. This section is where you can view and manage employee records, so it's the place you'll go whenever you need to update personal or employment details. After the People page opens, select the employee you want to update. Make sure you choose the correct profile before making any changes, especially if you manage records for multiple team members. Opening the right employee record first helps prevent mistakes and keeps information organized. Once you're inside the employee's profile, open the Personal section. This area typically contains personal details, contact information, and other important employee records. You may need to scroll a little depending on how your screen is set up. Next, find the Emergency Contact area. This is the section specifically used to store the person who should be contacted if there's ever an urgent situation involving that employee. Keeping this information current is important, so it's a good idea to review it carefully before saving anything. When you find that section, click Add Emergency Contact if one hasn't been entered yet, or click Edit if you're updating existing information. The option you see may depend on whether a contact is already on file. Now enter the contact's details. This usually includes the contact's full name, their relationship to the employee, their phone number, and any other required information shown on the screen. As you type, try to use accurate and complete details so the record is actually useful if it's ever needed. Double-check spelling and make sure the phone number is entered correctly. Before you finish, review everything for accuracy. This quick check can help you catch simple issues like missing digits, a typo in the name, or selecting the wrong relationship. Even small mistakes can make emergency information less reliable, so this step is worth taking seriously. Once you've confirmed that all the information looks correct, click Save. That will update the employee's emergency contact information in Gusto, and that's it. You've successfully added or updated an emergency contact in Gusto. Thanks for watching. For